In this video, I will talk about the manual attachment of the PDF files with the references in the Endnote library. For example, here are the few references and the they don't contain the PDF files. For example, this article or this reference don't have the full PDF files, full length article. For that, I have to click on it and then open this link, and this link is open in the Chrome, and I'm clicking on the PDF. Here you can see the letter to editor is open. I am clicking on the view PDF, and then from the view I can download from here. I can click on this file and can download, as I have directed all my downloads to the download folder within the C, and then here the download is completed. Now I want to attach it with the Endnote. For that, I am clicking on the attach option of this selector reference, attach, then here is the file, PDF file, and this PDF file is attached with this Endnote library.